Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing a very important topic. Why did inflation occur in America after the pandemic? The COVID-19 pandemic has caused significant changes in our economy, and we have seen inflation rates rise significantly. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind this phenomenon and how it is affecting people's lives. Overview of inflation. Firstly, let's start with an overview of inflation. Inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising and, subsequently, purchasing power is falling. Inflation is measured using the Consumer Price Index, CPI, which calculates the change in prices for a basket of goods and services over time. Inflation can be caused by several factors, such as an increase in demand or a decrease in supply. The impact of the pandemic on the economy. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on the economy. Lockdowns, job losses, and supply chain disruptions have all contributed to a decrease in economic activity. The Federal Reserve responded to this situation by lowering interest rates to stimulate borrowing and spending, and the government implemented fiscal stimulus measures to support households and businesses. Increase in demand. One of the main reasons behind the inflation that we are experiencing is an increase in demand. As the economy reopens and people return to work, there has been a surge in demand for goods and services. This increase in demand has caused prices to rise, as companies are struggling to keep up with the pace of demand. Supply chain disruptions. Another reason behind the inflation is supply chain disruptions. The pandemic has caused disruptions to supply chains globally, which has resulted in shortages of certain goods and services. This, in turn, has caused prices to rise as companies are forced to pay more for inputs, and they pass those costs on to consumers. Government stimulus measures. The government stimulus measures have also contributed to inflation. The government has provided households with direct payments, which have increased consumer spending. This increase in spending has caused prices to rise, as demand has increased. Additionally, the government has provided businesses with loans and grants to help them stay afloat during the pandemic. This has helped businesses to maintain their prices despite supply chain disruptions. The impact of inflation on people's lives. Now that we have looked at the reasons behind inflation, let's talk about how it is affecting people's lives. Inflation can lead to a decrease in purchasing power, which means that people can buy fewer goods and services with the same amount of money. This can cause financial stress and hardship for many households, especially those with lower incomes. Additionally, inflation can make it harder for businesses to plan and invest in the future, which can harm economic growth. In conclusion, inflation has occurred in America after the pandemic due to an increase in demand, supply chain disruptions, and government stimulus measures. This inflation is having a significant impact on people's lives, and it is important that we continue to monitor the situation and take action to address it. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we will do our best to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this.